Last year I picked up my first mouse case, which was the Limitless 4.0 for my iPhone 13 mini. I really liked it, so I've gone ahead and ordered the Limitless 5.0, which is for my 14 Pro. Mous is known for doing some of the most extreme drop tests of phones in their cases. Stuff like a 45-foot drop from a hot air balloon onto solid concrete, with no issues. To provide high-impact protection, Mous uses what's called AeroShock, which is that green material on the inside of their cases. This lets Mous keep the cases super thin while offering a lot of protection. Like all the cases last year, the Limitless 5.0 is MagSafe compatible. Using this magnet paper, you can see how the magnets in a Mous case are installed. It's nearly identical to the arrangement from Apple in their MagSafe accessories and the phone itself. Here's what a bad magnet layout looks like. It gets the job done, but it doesn't give you the same strength of connection. This year, Mous added some grip to both sides of the bottom of the case, which does a really good job at allowing you to hold on to the case. You also now have 2 spots to attach a lanyard. The back of this case features a piece of genuine leather, which I really like. It wears in after a few days and provides a lot of extra grip. Looking at the inside of the case, you can see that Mous brought back the microfiber lining. This adds extra protection for the back glass of your iPhone. And on the inside here, you'll see that AeroShock technology, which is the green lining. Looking at the back of the cases, the biggest difference you'll notice is that on the Limitless 5.0, the bottom portion of the camera bump has been removed. You still get great protection for your cameras, but what this allows the case to do is sit a lot more flush on surfaces. On the side of the case, you get great access to the ringer switch, and the cutouts on the bottom are as precise as ever. One of the biggest differences, aside from the grip, is the new buttons. They're a lot more clicky and satisfying. If you'd like a discount on some Mous cases, check the description. I've got a code down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.